If you want to connect your x.com, formerly Twitter, account to another profile or app, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to do it, step by step. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click so you can get it done fast without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the side menu and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. This is usually where account and profile options are located. So once you click it, a menu should open with your available account controls. Next, from that menu, select Add an existing account. This option is what allows you to sign in with a current x.com or Twitter login instead of creating a brand new account. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in the email, username, or phone number associated with your X account, then enter your password carefully. Make sure the details are correct so the sign-in process goes smoothly the first time. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you may also need to complete that extra verification step before access is added. Once everything is entered correctly, confirm the login and wait a moment for the account to connect. After that, your x.com account should now be added successfully and ready to use. From here, you can switch between accounts, manage your profile, or continue with whatever you need to do next. And that's it. You've now learned how to add your x.com or Twitter account in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.